Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning job today. This home is in Minnetonka. The roof is very dark with brown rot fungi. Also a lot of lichen and moss on this roof. There's many different sides to this roof. There's one to the far right, the garage roof to the far left here. And we are going to restore this roof to its original golden cedar color today. So we're just doing a short before video showcasing just how dark the roof is. And we're going to do an after video as well, showcasing the after results. We're also going to try to do some before and after pictures. Before I go any farther with this property, I'm going to take a minute for you guys to write down my phone number and give us a call. 612-919-4185. If you need any soft washing done, whether it be to a building exterior or a roof, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. So we're going to walk around the property here just a little bit, and for the sake of simplicity and probably a short video, we're probably just going to feature the front roof on this property, but we'll walk you around just to show you how many different roof angles there actually is here to do today. The other ones are very hard to get before and after pictures of just because they're real high. So there's definitely some tricky ladder work here today. But we're just gonna walk you around and show you how big this job is. It's not a little job by any means. It's gonna take us quite some time today to do this. Up there you got some pretty tricky ladder work here. We're gonna clean this roof back here. We're also gonna be cleaning this deck back here just as a complimentary service for this homeowner. As you can see, it's gonna be a tricky roof to get to right back here, but should be easy for us. And so this deck back here is real dark, real old. The homeowner keeps replacing boards on it because they get bad and they start rotting and stuff. So this deck has needed a soft wash for a long time. And so we're gonna do that today and get it as good looking as we can for the homeowner. So there's also a roof back here, and then there's a roof over here that goes down into the front by the garage. But so that's basically all the roof surfaces there. There's a little roof here as well. But again, if you need a cedar shake roof cleaned anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. And please stay tuned for the before and after videos and pictures. Thank you. Hey everyone, same property, different view here. We just got done leaf blowing off several of these roofs and trimming up some trees. Now we're just leaf blowing off the ground before we get started. But just thought it'd be an interesting time to do a during video for you. So we blew all those back roofs off and got them cleaned up. There's a lot of stuff, some trees overhanging the roof over there, so we trimmed up some trees and got those clear of the roof, and we're just preparing for our spray now. Again, I'm going to focus on our phone number. If you want to give us a call, 612-919-4185. You can also find us on the web. Please look up our reviews and check out our YouTube videos. We have more YouTube videos on soft wash cleaning than any company in Minnesota that we know of to date. So please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you, and we will do our best to get you some more footage for this property here. Definitely going to do a before and after pictures of the front of this home. Thank you very much. Hey everybody, thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video. So here is the after results of soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning. The roof has been restored back to its original golden cedar color. All the organisms and contaminants living on the cedar shakes or shingles have been killed. and the roof is restored back to its original color. We're just finishing up the process by watering some plants, and the deck in the back turned out beautiful. All the other roofs turned out very beautiful. These cedar shakes were only about 10 years old, and they had never been cleaned before, so they were pretty bad, but they restored really nice. I'm really happy with them. I think he did the service just in time to preserve the integrity of the cedar shakes. So if you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185, and I will zoom in on our phone number one final time here for you guys. So if you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft wash, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you so much.